Okay, so one of my friend gave me this sheet of metal. It's a aluminum sheet of metal. So I try to make a welding table. I got the sheet of metal. I went and bought these 3 feet of square tubing at Home Depot. Not only that, but I also uh, get these bed frame from my friend. And so I got my corners. And now I need the top. Okay, so I actually cut these out. The bed frame. Cut 45-degree angle on that side, this side, on every corner. Put it on, tap it, tap, and then what I've got to do next is put these square tubing and weld it here onto my table. Okay, after you finish, it should look like this. See how strong? Weld it, corner weld the corner over there, and then you're good to go. Don't weld the top because your sheet metal's gotta go on top.